Greatness is not found, it's created. Every wall, every line, every detail, a reflection of ambition turned into reality. Power in motion, precision redefined. Success doesn't wait, it drives. And when limits appear, they shattered with thunder. This is more than luxury. It's the language of victory, the lifestyle of those who dare to dream and have the courage to live it. This is the moment you've been working for, the moment success feels real, coming home in style. This is where the video starts, gliding through the gates of luxury. The Golf 8.5 R-Line makes an entrance that's quiet, refined, and unmistakably premium. The suspension is tuned on the MQB Evo platform, stiffer for precision yet engineered to absorb the road with ease. It's confidence on corners, comfort on straights, and smooth even over the bumps you don't see. With optional adaptive damping, the Golf reads the road ahead, softening when you want comfort, tightening up the moment you want to push it hard. Now guys, let me tell you a fun fact. That intro that I just did there took me 2 hours and it's only like 33 seconds, I think. So please, before watching this video, please subscribe and like the video so it can get pushed to other audience. Thank you so much. So right now I just had to drive this car into the garage because I just want to show you the lights on this car, guys. It looks so beautiful. First thing first, you still get the IQ lights and that light bar that I love so much. But what's new on this car is that glowing logo. Another thing that's new is the puddle lights. I don't think the Golf 8 had this puddle light. Now, let me get in the Golf 8.5 just to show you the ambient lighting, guys. This is really good and it feels so luxurious. This thing is built well. It's put well together. And if you were to put this against the Audi A3, in terms of look and build quality, it's on the same level. The Golf 8.5 pushes 110 kilowatts and 250 Newton meters of torque. This car is very beautiful, but let me advise you guys, only the R-Line. If you were to take the base model, please don't take it because it looks like this. Now everyone will know that you didn't have enough money and you took the poverty spec. Another new thing is the lights are slimmer and the rims look like flowers, and as well as the new side emblem. Driving this Golf is very beautiful. Everyone will look at you and you'll get so much compliments. Girls think you are driving a GTI or a R. If the Golf R-Line looks like this, just imagine how the GTI will look like when it comes out, especially on the roads. With the interior that looks like this and that big infotainment system. I didn't like the Golf 8 infotainment system, but this one, yeah guys, they ate with it. The seats are still the same, heated and cooled as well. Another thing that I noticed is even if the car is off, you can see the clock. And goodbye to those touch sensitive buttons. They brought back the real buttons. So the dimensions of the 8.5 compared to the Golf 8 is still the same. That means the boot space is exactly still the same. So here is where you see the Harman Kardon subwoofer and a spare wheel neatly packed. Also say goodbye to fake exhaust tips or fake exhaust. So this generation, they finally got rid of that. Now it's perfectly fine. Since you own a 6 million house, this is your tow bar. So you can tow your yacht and go to a river or a dam. You started off getting the car. Now you're about to walk in a 6 million rand house. This is how it feels, guys. This architecture is so beautiful, so elegant, so luxurious, and yet so breathtaking. I don't think if you own this type of house, you'll get used to it. You wake up every day and it feels like a dream. Now for the alcoholics, always mind your step when you get into this house. So that's something that you have to remember. You get into the house, the first thing you see is this very open space. And I like how the lighting is coming in here with glass all around it, almost all around it, guys. This is very sophisticated. On your left, you also get this beautiful kitchen. So this kitchen is very modern and finished with this wood and granite on the top. And you're probably wondering, so where do I put my fridge? Because I don't see any space. Let me show you quickly. Just wait. What looks like cupboard space is actually a double door fridge. So this is a Bosch fridge. So you know the quality that you're getting. Let me just zoom out a little bit and so I can show you how it looks like. It's also not a 6 million rand house without a SMAC fridge and SMAC appliances. Guys, this is very sophisticated. You are living very soft here. And guys, don't worry, you're not paying 6 million rand just to have one sink. On the left, there's a scullery where there's like a double sink right there. And yeah, so basically you have 3 sinks. So, which is perfectly fine. So this is me just wondering where this door leads to. So I just had to open the curious in me and I see something there where you put gas, and on your right there's electric box, which I don't know what it is. I don't want to lie to you guys. So yeah, this is what's in here. Coming back to the lounge, the house comes fiber ready. So you don't have to call anyone to install fiber for you. It's ready. You just have to call your service provider. So the box up there is where you plug in your air condition. And yes, since this is a 6 million rand house, you have to have a fireplace. So this is your fireplace. Did I also mention that this property is brand new? Like they're still building it. It's brand new. That's why the fireplace still has the plastics around it. So technically, no one has set fire in this house. Now, this is the thing of growing up in poverty. Right here, I thought is where you put your broom and your mop. Actually, it's where you put your wine cell. Hey guys, I was so embarrassed. Let's move on to the guest bathroom. So it's a very small bathroom because it's just for the guests to relieve themselves and wash their hands. And this is how it looks like. What I also like is this big mirror. Guys, what I also noticed is that how you finish a house will make or break it. Even if it's this beautiful house with modern finishes, ugly finisher can ruin houses. But okay, let's go outside. So this is very beautiful. And those who know Oscar Mbo, this is where the picture was taken. Not exactly here, but you know, like it's exactly the same architecture, the exact same company that built the house. It's also very nice that on the right it comes with the braai area, and it also comes with the pool. So this pool is tiny, but I like it because you know it's just you and your family, and you're not gonna bring 20 or 30 people to come swim. Maybe it's you and your wife and your 2 kids, and yeah, it's sufficient. Even the yard, I'm not complaining at all, especially this wooden floor outside, guys. Like, how often do you get wooden floor outside? Not inside the house, but outside, which is crazy. And look at this architecture, guys. Yo, this is so beautiful. Now, since this house has very high ceilings, makes the staircase very long. So guys, you're gonna climb and climb and climb. And if you are a drunkard, I promise you, you'll fall once or twice a month here. Now, getting upstairs is where you found your pajama lounge. So this is where you can watch movies or play games or anything that you would like to do with this section right here. Turning to your right, you get this big rectangular window right here, guys. This window is so long, which I love because I'm a very big fan of natural light. So this is such a plus for me. I love this so much. I just hate it when a house is so dark during the day. This is your first bedroom. So there's enough light coming in. There's also enough cupboard space. So this cupboard space is a lot, guys, and especially the big window. My favorite feature about this house is all the bedrooms are en suite. So which means 4 bedrooms have 4 bathrooms, and there's a half bathroom which are for the guests. It's the one that I showed you downstairs. What you'll also notice is the house has this stone-like finish in the bathrooms, and it has this black accent for contrast. Now, getting out of the first bedroom into the second bedroom. So now we have to pass the pajama lounge, head straight, and we're about to turn our right. And here is the second bedroom. So there's slightly differences about this room compared to the first room. So now as there's a big window. So this window lets so much light in. Look how big this glass is, guys. That's one of the biggest glasses I've ever seen in my life in a house. And the bathroom looks slightly similar, but I feel like this room is slightly bigger because the shower is also bigger. You also get this space to put your soaps and your washing gel and your shampoo. You know what it means. Yeah. The first and the second bedroom are kinda similar, and the third and the fourth bedroom are also kinda similar. So here is the third bedroom. It looks like a master bedroom and you get access to the balcony area. And yes, this bedroom is bigger than the first and the second bedroom. This is what gives it away. Yes, you do get your double basin here, and you get this nice floating toilet and your double mirrors at the side. What makes this bedroom much better is that you get a bathtub, and this integration is so interesting because the bathtub is integrated within the shower. You don't need a mat next to your bathtub anymore, so you can just shower and take a bath at the same time. And mind you, this is not the master bedroom. I repeat, this is not the master bedroom, but this balcony, guys, it's so big. I'm saying this because I'm going to show you something after this. And those boxes you see right there, those are the solar system. Yes, this house comes with the solar system. If load shedding ever comes back, you have backup by the gods. And guys, welcome to the main bedroom. You know what I should have done is made you guys guess which one was the main bedroom. Because these two bedrooms, like number 3 and number 4, they kinda look similar. But this one has a walk-in closet into the bathroom. And here is how the bathroom looks like. The bathtub isn't integrated within the shower like the third bedroom, but it's just sitting right there, and you get your shower and you get your double mirrors right there and your double basins. So guys, what amazed me about this master bedroom is that it has 7 outlets. So let's count. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I was told that this black box right here is for the aircon. So you don't have to drill a hole, you just take the cap out. So that's a new touch. I also like these lights here. This is a very modern finish. You also do get a balcony here, but one thing I noticed is that for the main bedroom, it's not as big as that bedroom right there. I'll call it maybe probably the third bedroom. It's not as big, but yeah, this is so nice, guys. The architecture here is really great. People in South Africa have money. When I say so, is that all the units in this estate have been sold, especially this house. this house has been bought. Someone paid 6.4 million rand to buy this house. But if you are interested in a house like this, please contact Tumisang. He'll be helping you. And please tell him that Angel Dust sent you. In that way, you'll be supporting the channel and I'll be putting more quality work out there. Thank you so much. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys something. So right here at the back, there's the staff quarters. And this is how it looks like. It's very small, but it still keeps that modern finish, that modern touch, and the same stone finish with the same accent with the black finish in it. So here, I guess only a single bed can fit here. There's no ways a double bed can fit in here. The Golf 8.5 GTI can be the perfect daily car. But for a 6 million house, you need something big, something showing wealth, something that shows a true statement. And Fora is the place to be. Please do comment in the comment section below and tell me 2 cars that you complete that house. Comment down in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for getting this far.